Okay, peeps, like, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I look, first of all, ew, 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 ew. I look like a toe, but I have no content for you guys. Don't click off yet. I'm literally, I just stubbed my toe. So, hi, Sava. I mean, you guys want a cheesy video? This intro is already 37 seconds long. But, okay, I'll do a cheesy thing, and we'll just play with some of my squishies. I don't know, just cut, go. Okay, so, yeah, I have 12 squishies. I need to stop. Like, honestly, Papa, I need to stop. I don't even want to do this. Like, sorry for the people who just got a seizure. Let's go through my squishies haul. Okay, so the first squishy I have that I've ever got was this cat, and the head was falling off, so I looked like it was a hack. It didn't work. I mean, like, the head's on, but now it's all crusty dusty. This was $15 at Newberry Comics. I don't even know how. Like, it's good and all. It was my money I had to spend on this. My mom did not buy this for me. I had to do this. Like, but it smells like strawberries. How do we know what strawberries smell like if strawberries don't have a smell? Anyways, let's go to the next one. I look so nasty on camera. Okay. I have this. It was $12. And it's not squishy. It hurts. It's like hard and disgusting. Like, who wants to buy this for me? Pay me $12 and you can have this. Next one. I have this popcorn. Wow. Look at it. It smells like butter, but like burnt. It smells really bad. I thought I saw something. Oh my god. Is that a bruise? You want to know? Okay. Hold. First of all, why does it look black? I don't know. No. Papa! Papa, stop! He's sleeping. Look how scared that looks. Should I close my door? Yeah. I told you to square up if you want to come in here. Square up! Sorry, Pop. Okay. So I have this popcorn and yeah. This is a good one. This is like the best I have. Stop moving. Now my mirror is all crooked. Like, God. Do you ever look better in your mirror and not in your camera? Because, like, same. But, so I have this. I don't know if it's a s'more with, like, pink marshmallow. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's really squishy. Look at this. Oh! This is the worst video I've ever put on my channel. I mean, I had a war sketch on here. It was pretty bad. I deleted it. No one will find it. Okay, next I have a pizza. This is a nice one. It's like, the colors are like, look at it. Look how squishy. This is probably how you break squishies, but like, oh, that wasn't like that much. It like tastes. Don't eat squishies. Next one, I have a soda. These are like the collection pack. But like, yeah, look at it. Wow. Someone make me an intro. Ew, my throat hurts now. Okay, I have this cupcake. Look at the colors of it. Oh my gosh. Nice. Squishy, 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 squishy. This used to be my favorite one. Okay. My aunt got me these. These are like not even squishies. They're like barely squishy, but like I have this. And I have this one. She got me these for Valentine's Day. My lips are so bad. I can't find my chapstick like anywhere. Okay. I have this donut. This is a good one. Look at that. Look at the color. I'm just gonna save you all and like just like time lapse through all of this, okay? Yeah. I have this popsicle. Is this even a pop? I have popsicles. Before the last one, I'm gonna try it. Doesn't even talk to me loud. It's like my tripod is like so bad. Like here, let's just see my setup. It's a phone. Look how wobbly it is. It's like gonna fall. I tightened it. I'm sorry. I was already clicked up a video. Copy better, I'll leave. It's my recording area if you want. Edits were good, right? Like I made those. I was like so proud of myself. For the next like 20 minutes, I'm like rambling how I'm home alone. So just like, subscribe, bye.